Welcome to How to 360's Kitchen Creations. First things first, let's get our oven ready. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare your bell peppers. Slice off the tops, and if you like, you can reserve them for lids. Remove the seeds and membranes. Fill the peppers with your prepared mixture, whether it's rice, meat, vegetables, cheese, or a combination, and place them standing upright in a baking dish. Add about 1/4 inch of water or tomato sauce to the bottom of the dish. This helps steam the peppers. Cover tightly with aluminum foil. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Uncover, top with extra cheese if you like, and bake 10 minutes more until the cheese is melted and the peppers are tender when pierced with a fork. Total time around 40 to 45 minutes. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Sear the bottom of each stuffed pepper in a hot, lightly oiled oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, just until lightly browned. Add a 1/4 cup of water or sauce to the pan, cover, and transfer the skillet to the oven. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, uncovered, checking at the 20-minute mark for tenderness. Total time around 30 minutes. Prepare the Instant Pot. Place a trivet or steamer rack in the Instant Pot and add 1 cup of water or sauce. Arrange the stuffed peppers upright on the rack. You may need to trim the top slightly to fit. Seal the lid and set to high pressure for 8 to 10 minutes. Natural release for 5 minutes, then quick release any remaining pressure. Total time about 15 to 20 minutes, including come to pressure and release. For the best results, make sure to follow the specific guidelines mentioned earlier, and don't forget to adjust the pepper size to your preference. So, here's the thing. Pepper size really matters. If you're using extra large bell peppers, they might need an extra 5 to 10 minutes in the oven. On the other hand, mini bell peppers could be done in about 20 to 25 minutes. Check doneness by inserting a fork into the pepper body. It should slide in easily. The internal temperature of a meat-filled stuffing should register at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. For a flavor boost, spoon a bit of tomato sauce over the tops before baking and finish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or basil when serving. Enjoy your perfectly tender, flavorful stuffed peppers. All ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description below. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.